Anthony Rossi Elementary School proudly celebrated Black History Month with a powerful and inspiring school-wide assembly honoring Black excellence, history, and culture. Students and staff gathered to recognize the countless contributions of Black leaders, innovators, artists, and trailblazers whose impact continues to shape our nation and our world. The program served as both a celebration and a reminder of the resilience, brilliance, and cultural richness that define Black history, not only in the past, but in the present and future. The assembly featured engaging performances and meaningful presentations. In attendance was Mr. Cedric Holmes, president of the Vaughan Public Schools Board of Education, along with Ms. Cheryl Riddick, founder of the LIMCW Inspirations LLC, and former violent police officer Mr. Ricky Dixon, who each shared inspiring messages about leadership, purpose, character, and perseverance. Through music, reflection, and powerful storytelling, the assembly reinforced the importance of honoring history while empowering the next generation to lead with confidence and pride. Students were reminded that Black excellence is not only something to study, it is something to embody. The celebration left the school community inspired to continue learning, uplifting one another, and striving for greatness every day.